Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Girl and Curl paper collection by Craft a Clock. I'll start by showing you the designs in the 12 by 12 size. With 12 by 12 you get 6 sheets and all double-sided. Everything by Craft a Clock now is 250 GSM. I really like this because you can get away with doing more than just baby girl albums and projects. So nice. Great collection. Beautiful. That's the 12 by 12. The 6 by 6 is just scaled down. You get 24 sheets of the same set of designs, double-sided, just the same as we saw before, but just maybe scaled more for mini albums or card makers or just smaller projects. And then it repeats. So again, 24 sheets, 250 GSM. The 8 by 8 is unique in the fact that it comes in 3 different varieties. First, we have just the regular design variety, which is scaled down from the 12 by 12 size, but the same designs, just in the 8 by 8. There's also an additional design on the back of the cover paper for each sized collection, and then it repeats. So you get 24 sheets, you get 4 of each design, and that's just the 8 by 8 regular design paper. There's also a basic, which I really like a lot, that Craft a Clock does the basic sets, and this is in the 8 by 8. Now these are slightly different, but it coordinates, and I left all of the papers out so that you could see the coordination. This is designed for making base pages, maybe mini albums, scrapbooking, to use with the collection, but maybe you don't want to use the design paper just to make the base pages. This is really, really nice if you like making 8 by 8 scrapbook albums, or if you like making 8 by 8 mini albums, and then this repeats. So you get 24 sheets, you get 4 of each design, but again, this is the basic paper set that coordinates with the Girl and Curl designs. Now, to get more bang for your buck, they have arranged a mix set, and this is 8 by 8 where you get half of the 24 sheets with the regular designs and half of the 24 sheets with the basic designs. So you definitely get more bang for your buck this way. So you can see, I mean, I've already flipped through the 8 by 8 of each, the basic and the regular design. And then this repeats again, but then it's got, once it repeats, then in the back here, then you've got 2 sets of the basic, just like we just saw, okay? 2 sets there. Really, really nice, especially if you can't decide, or maybe you're trying to be budget friendly, and then it repeats again. So this is a great way to get the best of both worlds. 12 sheets of the regular design and 12 sheets of the basic design in the mix set, and we're going to call this mix. You're going to see it say Girl and Curl 8 by 8 mix. These are the extras that are available, and just as I mentioned with the 8 by 8, there's that same philosophy. They've got a baby girl set of extras, they've got a flowers and my first year set of extras, but then they've got a mix of the two where you get half, it's 18 sheets in each one of these, but in this set, half of them are from the flowers and my first year, and half of them are from the baby girl. So I will show you the baby girl first. They're double-sided images, which is super nice, especially if you like to make projects where the images sort of hang off the edge. And I really like this sort of photography type look of some of their embellishments, along with your traditional type scrapbooking elements, card making elements, little animals. So cute. I just can't get enough of these extras. And these would go perfectly, and then this repeats again. This is the Baby Girl Extras set. This goes perfectly with all of the papers in the collection, even if you were just getting the basic, or if you just wanted to get the extra set to coordinate with papers maybe you already had. So this is the extra set Baby Girl. Then the extra set Flowers and My First Year. This, as you can see, definitely more on the floral side, but again, not just for baby girl projects. You could totally get away with using this for your wedding, for your baby shower, for just anything that's like light and feminine. Here are so cute cut-aparts for months. You know, those month pictures are pretty trendy. Now you'll notice that the text here on these cut-aparts is in Polish, but because the paper is made in Poland. However, on the back side, it's always done in English as well. So you get the Polish on one side and the English on the other, and then it repeats. And that's Flowers, My First Year, and you get 18 sheets in this set, as well as in all of the extra set here in the Girl and Curl collection. But if you simply can't decide, then there is the option to get the Girl and Curl extra set mix. So you have on the back of the cover paper, you've got some bonus images there, and you've got half and half, okay? Really the best of both worlds. Really, really nice. Again, if you're on a budget and you just can't resist getting these papers, but just really want to get the best of both worlds. And then here, this does not repeat. These are fresh images, so you just get 2 of each design. Okay, really fun, a great collection. Mind you, if you you can cut this with your electronic cutting machine, or you can fussy cut them by hand, and a little goes a long way. In other words, these collections, the fussy cut elements, last quite a long time for several projects. So again, this is the Girl and Curl paper collection by Craft O'Clock, made in Poland, acid-free and lignin-free, 250 GSM, and it is available in the USA at sandpaperroad.com, and you can click the link in the description box to head right there, but hurry because supply is limited. Thanks so much for watching. Check out all the other paper collections, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.